questions. Number one is that it's now a limited liability company. It's no longer corporation. That's to say, it's not any longer under the direct supervision of a ministry as a minister. That's the implication of it, is that it's a limited liability company. Limited liability company is an artificial person, a legal entity. It has perpetual succession. It has different rights. It's a person on its own. Now, what they have done is to make this corporation to become a limited liability company. And the implication of it is that there are shareholders. Every limited liability company has shareholders. There are shareholders in it. First, there are subscribers to the MEMAT. Every limited liability has subscriber to the memo and article of association. The Nigerian public would like to know, who are these subscribers that are representing me? Who are they? That is the first one. Who are the subscribers? Who are the directors? Who are now the stakeholders in the way of shareholders? Who are holding this thing in public trust for the general public? Very important question. We are interested in it. The government of the day, of course, is a public document. If you so desire, you can go to CSC and request. At the payment of the fee to search, they will let us know. You may do that. Lawyers, there's nothing to hide. It's a public document henceforth. You can go and investigate. You can publish it and tell us. That's number one. So it's now a limited liability company. I've explained to you that's now an artificial person, not directly under the supervision as we used to. The implication of it is that the government will no longer post people to be working there. That's what it ought to be. Number two, I have explained to you that there are memo and article of association, and there are subscribers to the memo. There are directors of the company as we speak. Who are these directors? It's a public knowledge. There are shareholders. Now, having known this, the next thing is that they are now by law to publish their audited account. For years, there were times that we didn't get any audited account, and there were backlog of audited account on the NNPC that we used to know. And at the time they cleared them, I wouldn't know where they are exactly now, but if they must remain, it's expected that they have audited account, because they must file the account at the end of the season. That is the truth of it. Now, we will get further to know whether they may do more than that. Now, the audited account. Now, they are also supposed to declare profit or loss. Before now, they were not doing that. Before now, they were making revenue. So henceforth, they are supposed to give us profit and loss account. They are supposed to give us balance sheet. We should be able to scrutinize their balance sheet and their profit and loss account. Again, the next important thing that will benefit the average Nigerian is that they need to be quoted on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. It will become the biggest single company on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and they need to be quoted. The moment they are quoted, the ordinary people can afford to buy into it. And I want to let you know that the moment you hear that NNPC PLC, that's what it will become, is still NNPC Limited. When it becomes NNPC PLC, if you have money, please buy. If you don't have money, please borrow money. You will not be wrong to buy into our common patrimony. The truth is, if you don't buy it, when they declare profit, you will not get anything. I'm preparing your mind, the investing public, that there is a gold mine that is being mined now, that is our common patrimony, that is NNPC, that you need to buy into. Save some money, wait for it. I believe that's where we are heading to, and then it will become our own. Before now, the government is representing you. They have appointed possibly directors. They have appointed subscribers to the MEMAT. It is government that is doing it, and the government of the day, since they championed it, will most likely fill those positions with the people that they trust that can do it. But time will tell. After some time, the subscribers may remain, directors may have to change, shareholders may have to change. Who are the shareholders? That's the question. So, but just be ready to be able to buy some more of these shares.